Hello everyone. In my last video, I explained you about divisibility test. Now let's start the questions exercise. In a unit C, module number 6, the question is determine which of the following number are divisible by 4, 8 and 25. Then how do we find? Whenever the last three units numbers are 0, then the number is divisible by 2, 4, 8 and 25 and 10 also. 8, 10 and 25. If last three digits are 0, that means the number is divisible by 2, 4, 8, 10 and 25, as I explained you in my last video also. Then suppose I am taking next question, next number that is equivalent to, that is 54172. Here we have to check the number is divisible by 4 or not. And for the divisibility of 4, we check last two numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So let us divide 4 to 72, and this is, so it means it is completely divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Now check for 8. For 8, we divide the number by, divide last three, we check these last three digits and check these numbers are divisible by, these last three numbers are divisible by 8 or not. So then how do we check? Just again I am checking here. Just see here. And this number is not divisible by 8. So the number is divisible by 4 only, not by 8, 10. For the divisibility of 10, the number ends with 0, but it ends with 2. Okay, so the unit digit is 2, that means the number is not divisible by 10. For the 25, the number should end with 5 or 0. First thing is that this one. And for the divisibility of 25, here the number is an even number, so the number is not divisible by 25. So this number is only divisible by 4 only, not by 8, not by 10, divisible by 4 only, not by 8, not by 25. So in this way we can find. Now let's take the another example, that is 65,320. Here we have to check the number. This number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 and 11. Here, so just see here, unit digit is 0. It means the number is divisible by 2 and 5. 2 and 5. For 3 and 9, we add all the digits. Just see, 6, 5, 3 plus 2 plus 0. It is equivalent to 16. And 16 is not divisible by, 3 or 9. 3 or 9 both. So it means this number is also not divisible by 3, not divisible by 9. Now for the divisibility of 11, add alternate numbers 1, 2 and 3. 6 plus 3 plus 0 and 5 and 2. So it is 9 and it is 7. And subtract these numbers, 9 minus 7. So that is equivalent to 2. Because the number is 2. For the divisibility of 11, if this number is 0 or 2 or multiple of 2 or multiple of 11. So we can say number is divisible by 11. So here we can say this number is divisible by 11 also. So here we can say number is divisible by 11 also. So in this way we can find the answer. Now come to the module number 9. The number is 3752. Here we have to check this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 and 15. Now for one by one we are doing here. Just see, for the divisibility of 2, number should be even number or ends with 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here it is 2. It means it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. For 3, find the sum of this number 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. So it is equivalent to 50. It is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3 and it is also not divisible by 9 also. So it is not divisible by 9 also. Now for 4, divide last 2 digits. Take last 2 digits and check this one. It is divisible by 4 or not. So here, yes, it is divisible by 4. So it means we can say it is divisible by 4. Now for 5, the unit digit should be 0 or 5. Here it is 2. So it is not divisible by 5. For the divisibility of 6, number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Because 6 is a multiple of 2 into 3. So it means the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. But the number is divisible by 2 but not 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 6. For the divisibility of 12, number should be divisible by 4 and 3. 4 and 3. 4 into 3. So here it is divisible? No. It is not divisible by 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 12 also. 15. 15 is again a multiple of 5 into 3. So it means for the divisibility of 15, number should be divisible by 5 and 3 both. But here it is not divisible by 3 nor by 5. So we can say it is not divisible by 15 also. Now let's take one more example, that is 2, 7, 8, 5, 5. This number ends with 5. It means it is not divisible by 2 because it is not an even number. For the divisibility of 3, we add all the digits. I am adding all the digits. And this is equivalent to 32. So it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 9 also. So it is not divisible by, this number is also not divisible by 9. For the divisibility of 4, we check last 3 digits. Last 2 digits. And check this is divisible by 4 or not. No, it is not divisible by 4. First thing is that this number is not even. So we can say this is not divisible by 4 also. For the divisibility of 5, number should be ends with 5 or 0. Here it is 5, so it means it is divisible by 5. For the divisibility of 6, number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. But it is not divisible by 2 nor by 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 6. For the divisibility of 12, see 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So it should be divisible by 4 and 3 both. So here it is not divisible by 4 nor by 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 12 also. 15. 15 is equal to 5 into 3. It means it should be divisible by 5 and 3 both. Here it is divisible by 5 but not by 3. So we can say it is not divisible by 15 also. So in this way you can calculate the number is divisible by which number. Okay. Now come to the module number 10. In this module the question is write the smallest digit in the blank space so that the number becomes divisible by 5. And for the divisibility of 5, number should be ends with 0 or 5. And with 0 or 5. So here the unit digit number is 5. So we can fill up any of the number in this space. You can fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any of the number here. Any of the number. And this in the second part, in the second question, the number is 3761 and this dash is in its unit place. So what we write here? We write either 0 or 5. It can be 0 or 5. It can be 0 or 5. In both we can write this one. So in this way, for the divisibility of 4, number should be ends with. For the divisibility of 4, the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 and it should be even. So here we have 5 number is already given to us. Here we have to write by ourselves. So suppose I'm writing 0 here. So 50 is divisible by 4. No, 50 is not divisible by 4. Now next even number is 5 and here I'm writing 2. 52. 52 is divisible by 4. Yes, 52 is divisible by 4. So here we can write 2. It means this number is also divisible by 4. In the next question, here we have to check the number is divisible by 3 or not. And we have to fill up space here. So for the divisibility of 3, we have to add all the digits. Here I am adding 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0 and here I have to fill up one space. Just check here. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. And 11 plus 0, 11. So what do we write here so that it should be divisible, but it will be divisible by 3. If I am writing here 1, then the sum is 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So here we can write 1. And any other number which we can write here? Yes, we can write, if we write down 4 here, just check 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 4, 11 plus 4, 15. And 15 is also divisible. 15 is also divisible by 3. So here either we can write 1 or we can write 0, 1, 0, 5. This also we can write. So in this way we can find the answer.